हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने अनबॉक्सिंग करूँगा ADATA हार्ड डिस्क। दिस हार्ड डिस्क आई गॉट फ्रॉम पेटीएम मॉल। सो दिस इज द सिंपल बुक cover that I got from पेटीएम. So I am finding this is the hard disk we have. So it contains hard disk, the invoice and the air bubble for the protection of the hard disk. So now we will show you the what is this hard disk contains. This is a simple hard disk that is, I think you can see, military grade shockproof, IPX8 waterproof, IPX8 dustproof. This is a blue in color hard disk. It has got some more features like military grade proof. It supports USB 3.0. It has some free download software SSD to go. It has got 3 years warranty, easy cover and easy cable management. So now we will see the inside of this. This is the back cover, you can see. So we will start by going through the opening. So now we will open this. So we are cutting this. Now we remove the seal. Now we will see what it contains. So this is the user manual. I think this is multilingual, so you can read out as per your convenience. You will see it later. This is the main hard disk. This is very sturdy. This is good plastic quality. This is rubbery case. This is the opening. This opening allows it to be waterproof. This is the nice cable management. I think you can see. So you can keep the cable around this by pressing gently. Here you can keep the cable with it. So you can connect the cable. You need to see the alignment of ports, how it is. I think this will go this way. So this is small cable. I think you can, it is just measure by length. This is one foot cable, just 1 foot cable. It is too heavy. Hard disk is too heavy. Build quality is very good. I think casing cannot be removed. I think. Let me check if I can. If it is possible to remove the casing. Yes, I think we can remove the casing. This is very hard casing. So it is dustproof, waterproof and shockproof up to 2 meter height. Military grade shockproof durability. Thank you guys. We will show you more technical gadgets as we buy in future. Okay. So you can see it supports speed up to 100 Mbps, I think, or even more. This is using USB 3.0. So I think as per the specification it supports 5 Gbps for the USB 3.1. so you can check out more. The speed is very steady.